In response to those pesky breakup rumors, Elordi just posted the sweetest message for Joey King's birthday, proving that they're happier than ever. What a relief. If you're a fan of the kissing booth, you may already know that yesterday was Joey King's 19th birthday. Interestingly enough, we were the ones who received a gift. That's right, y'all. If you're as obsessed with this couple as we are, then you know that there has been speculation recently that Joey and Jacob had broken up because of their lack of social media posts. But you'll be glad to know that Jacob has denied the speculation with a sweet message for Joey's special day. For her birthday, Jacob posted 2 adorable pictures of Joey and captioned them, quote, "This sums it nicely. Happy birthday, weirdo," and then added what appears to be a special love language between the 2 actors. Yeah, we won't even attempt to read that one out loud, but it's like, blutto, vute, uto, ooh? Maybe? Then Joey responded to the adorable post with her own words for her bae. She wrote, quote, "Oh man, that second pic is rough as hell. Thanks, pupperino, doggobanichi." Well, it's a pet name that we've never ever heard before. Jacob's post for Joey came not too long after she told the Los Angeles Times that she and her man were going to start pulling back from posting each other as much on social media. Joey told the paper, quote, "I guess I feel like it's almost scary giving people what they want so much because of how much people are obsessed with our relationship. I'm like, maybe I should keep some of that to myself. I go back and forth on that." Now, we totally understand where she's coming from, but we have to admit, we totally miss their adorbs Instagram interactions. Do you guys think that this proves they're still together? As always, let us know all of your thoughts on Jacob's Instagram post in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Now you can click right over here to watch another brand new video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to all of our channels. I'm your host, Shane DeFreeze, and I'll see you guys next time.